How to hit a home run on the Explore page. Or in other words, how to hit the Explore page. Was the second sentence necessary? I do not know. Cue the intro, listener. Let's start this video with the shoutout rules. The shoutout rules are very simple. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've loved about this video or something that you've absolutely hated about it for a chance to be featured in one of the next videos. And if you want to know if you are the shoutout winner on this video, make sure you stick until the end. It's as simple as that. Just stick until the end and you will find out. And I'll try to make it really easy for you because the tips I can show you today can help you go viral on Instagram. And you can thank me later, or you can thank me now by giving this video a like. The Explore page, it's kind of a mystical place. You click the button on your Instagram account, you go to Explore page. By the way, there's some very funny thing that Gary Vee said. I can tell you who you are and what you like by just taking a look at your Explore page. This is extremely true because the Explore page only presents you content that the Instagram algorithm knows for a fact that you are interested in. There's no chance of low quality content actually appearing on the Explore page for a long time. Sometimes low quality content with the wrong hashtags appears on the Explore page, but Instagram is very quick to dissolve it right now in 2019. In the late part, it's actually Q4 of 2019. By the way, fun fact, you can see my real Explore page here. See? I just like tech. Okay, what is the Explore page? The Explore page is a page where the viral content is based. It's basically the home watch page, suggested page on YouTube. What are the requirements to go to this beautiful mystical place? You gotta have good content with very good engagement. And if you want to learn some very cool engagement tricks, I would definitely suggest you watch the video in the cards above about Instagram posts. There's a really interesting trick there, so you really need to know it. So how can you go on the Explore page? By clicking the subscribe button with bell notifications on, of course, and clicking the like button. Because if you do that, you save a cup of tea falling from a table. What a disaster. What kind of a misery is this? Yes, you will save it. So to actually go on the Explore page, you gotta utilize hashtags, good content, and a good engagement ratio, which means the likes you got and the comments you got are relative to your followers. If you have 100,000 followers, you got 800 likes and 200 comments, that 1,000 engagement combined or 1% engagement rate. And if you are wondering how you can develop a good hashtag strategy, you can check the video in the cards above. And if you want to know your engagement rate, you can look up for a website called IGPlate. I use it on a multiple of my videos, the growing from scratch videos and so on. So how do you increase your engagement rate? Or you gotta engage with your audience. A very good trick is because Instagram doesn't present your content chronologically anymore. So it presents the content, the best content that you engage with or the follower of yours engaged with, or the content that had the most engagement individually. Which means if you have friends, they are very likely that you connect with, DM and comment on their photos and so on. They're very likely to see your content, even if it doesn't have that good results, because they are engaging with you, because Instagram is a social media platform. So you gotta do that to increase your engagement. You actually gotta be social on Instagram. Instagram is a social media platform, so it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Another trick you can use is using Telegram groups and engagement pods. There's multiple videos on that. You can search it, Instagram Telegram engagement pod. An even better trick that you can use to grow organically is to ask people to comment on your posts with an interesting question. Even if you use a carousel and have multiple images, you can ask one or two. Why not? Or which step will you do? I constantly use it on the motivational page I'm growing in the Growing an Account from Scratch series, where I ask questions and it takes like 1 second to figure out questions after a while. So you need to warm up your audience before your content. If you have an IGTV video out, you can kind of warm up your audience by telling them part of it. What I like to do on some of my pages is I hide half of the content and show one half and say, do you want to see the other half? Well, it's out in a few hours. Then when it's out, people are actually interested on clicking on it. And if they actually voted on the poll, they already have an engagement engagement with you, and when you post, the chances of them seeing it, even if they didn't sign up for it, is actually higher because they actually engaged with your page. See on the explore page, who is the shout out winner for this episode? It is Manny, the average investor, who says, I put my first video on private. Yeah, it's about reacting to my first video. You got better and better every video. Yeah, if you consider how bad I was in the first videos, it's not that hard to become better. Well, thanks man, I would love to see it. Why don't you do a reaction maybe later on, he says. Can't wait to see it. You've got really good videos. What's your upload schedule? One video a week? You guys should definitely check him out, by the way. He has really interesting videos. I've checked him out. That's why I asked this question. It was my pleasure entertaining you guys. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. See you next one. Bye.